The touch so divine. From dressing gods to spinning khadi on the wheels during the freedom struggle, saris are an integral part of Indian way of life. Only because of the strength of its tradition. The source is a success story even in this era, where Western clothing continues to increase in popularity. Saris, an eternal fashion statement. The graceful eternal sari, dating back to somewhere between 3000 and 5000 BC, is the quintessential symbol of Indian fashion. Even when fashion changes in dizzying speed, the sari lives on, be it rural India to the urban smart housewife and corporate woman. The styles of wearing the omnipotent sari differ from religion to religion. The diversity of styles range from Kanjivaram, Mysore silk, Banaras, Chanderi, Paithani, Pulkari, and so on. Have you ever wondered how the designs on these saris would have appeared? Until the 18th century, people wore only plain clothes with no patterns on them. Jacquard looms, the entry of the master weaver. The evolution of art and design from time immemorial has always stemmed from an experimental process. Joseph Marie Jacquard of France invented the jacquard in 1801, a system that revolutionized the weaving process, reducing human labor. The jacquard loom is a system of arranged rectangular cards with punched holes. The hook passes through the hole with the needle inserting another thread, thus forming the desired intricate patterns. The application of jacquard technique has opened up mind-blowing design options, be it geometric, floral, and figurative motifs. The diversity of styles is also applied in home textiles, menswear, baggage, and accessories as well. Recent survey shows that there are 23 lakh handlooms across India. Technology has upgraded the power loom sector, which is also supported by the government schemes. The production from handlooms cannot compete with that of power looms. Nevertheless, handlooms have an edge in terms of intricate patterns and designs. In India, industry estimates peg the sari market at a massive $12 million and has seen a 15 to 20% increase in sales over the last year. The brisk business speaks volumes. Untouched by recession, the jacquard industry, with its wide range of applications, has led to the immense need for designers all over the world. The increasing demand for fashion designing has opened up a new scope of opportunities for jacquard designers. Now, we shall see how the jacquard designs are incorporated into the weaving of the saris. Learn from the leader, Banaras. At this juncture, we at Banaras Designs, realizing the huge market potential and the unavailability of skilled designers, have ventured into creating an awareness and encourage students of textile technology and fashion designing to expand their opportunities. Banaras Designs, the only one. Jacquard designing in fabrics through CAD can bring to surface the hidden creativity in students. Banaras Designs is a standalone Jacquard designing center in Tamil Nadu and the pioneer in textile design training since 2000. The textile teacher and the tactile taught. The faculties of the center are trained designers who impart knowledge with utmost professionalism. Mr. KJ Mahesh Kumar of Banaras Designs is an icon in the domain of textile design. He has learned the nuance of the field that has led to the supply of his designs all over the world. His designs are nominated for the National Awards 2014. His achievements have been entered into the Guinness, Limca and Alec Book of World Records. Banaras Designs has a well-developed and integrated research teaching environment with updated technology that augments classroom experiences that allow each student to expand their interests or passions.
There is immense need for fresh new talent in the field of saree designs, as today's woman is very keen towards conceptual and trendy designs as well as colors. To meet the demand, we need a lot of young new talent with creative ideas and hands-on training.
Anyone with flair for drawing art and is creative can benefit from the Banaras Jacquard designing course. Prospects of setting up a designing studio and flaunt your designs. There are offers of plenty in countries like China, USA, Europe for Indian Jacquard designers in the field of home textiles. After completion of the course, one can involve the designing skills and evolve into tag designing, embroidery and silver kameez designing. For college students, fresher and homemakers who have a heart for art. Banaras Designs, welcome to a new world to express and impress.